We have done our chapter number 8 and its back exercise in our previous lectures. Today we will discuss question answers of lesson 8. Now instructions for you. You will use black pen to write questions and blue pen for writing answers. Firstly, you will write the name of lesson and number. Firstly, you will write chapter number, then you will write name of lesson, lesson time. After that, you will write question answer. Then you will start from question number 1. First question is, mention the names of any 3 traditional games of India. And the answer is first Kabaddi, second Kho-Kho, and third archery. These are the traditional games of India. Please write neatly. Yes, second question is, write down 3 advantages of playing games and sports. You will write 3 advantages of playing games and sports. All of you like to play games and sports. I know this thing. Yes, answer is games keep us fit. Your first point is games keep us fit. Second point is games refresh our mind. After doing work for a long time, we need some relaxation, and at that time we do some activities that refresh our mind. Next, third is games avoid the problem of overweight. If we are playing games, then we can avoid the problem of increasing weight also. Next is question number 3. Mention 3 lesser time activities that you enjoy besides sports and games. And the 3 lesser time activities other than sports and games are: first, listening music; second, dancing; third, reading. In place of these 3, you can write any other also, but you will not write related to sports and games. Other than that, any activity that you like, you can write. Next is question 4. What are the 2 main factors on which your choice of a game depends upon? You will write 2 main factors on which your choice of game depends upon. That why you have chosen that game. And the answer is the choice of game depends upon, first is interest. That depends on our interest. In which we are having interest, we will choose only that game. And second is capacity. That game which can we play easily, we will choose that game. Next is question 5. How are outdoor games better than indoor games? And the answer is, first point, they supply fresh oxygen to our lungs, because that we play in open areas, that's why we are getting fresh oxygen there. Next, second, refresh our mind in natural way. Outdoor games refresh our mind in natural way. Next, third, keep our body fit, because we are doing physical exercises there. That's why it keep our body. These outdoor games keep our body fit. Next, fourth, they can involve large number of people. And fifth is they are free from enclosed space. Yes, we have done question number 1 to 5 here. Next questions we will do in our next lecture. Thank you.